The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have a video I'm going to present to you, and this video is circulating on social media where it is said that a motor vehicle leaped from one side of a gully and landed on the other side of the gully. You see? It is said that the incident happened somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not have any information as to when the incident happened, and allegedly it is said that the driver is alive when the video had been recorded. You see? I do not have any information about the driver's health or if the driver is still alive. I do not have any information as to how many persons was in the motor vehicle at the time of the incident that is being said on social media. And if that motor vehicle actually leaped across a gully that wide, then viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, the driver of that motor vehicle was speeding. That's really dangerous. Alright, let's take a look at the video and then I will talk some more about this video. Alright, here's the video. Take a look and observe with me.
Take off from here, so cross this almost 100-meter gully here and go land over there. So see the light post there, see the car over there, so and cross that ravine here. This is about how much? It's about 100 meters in a length. Papa Jesus, car in a Jamaica have wing. Side right down here, gully bridge here, so. See the car over there, so in the distance. In take off from over here, so. See when skirt the bank in here, so. Papa Jesus, this is unbelievable. See the runway here. See the runway here. Father, we don't have to laugh, but you have to marvel. Papa Jesus. But you can clear the whole of this gully here from there, so. Clear the whole of this gully here. See water down in the gully there. See water down in the gully there, and clear the whole of that. Look on the distance. And clear then concrete something there. Clear the tree. And just barely brush the tree. And Guinness Book of Record this. Guinness Book of Record, the longest jump. And land over there, so. Oh, Jesus. See car there? Eh? Yes, man! See the run here and start right there, so. You don't touch nothing. It's a wonder, it's a miracle. I'm on God today, man. Yes, man. No. You look at me, see no wing under this carrier. When clear there, the whole over there, so when clear from the people. Yeah? Yeah, man. See there? Look at no wing under it. Jesus, but already. Papa Jesus. Anybody survive this have a testimony, you know? Anybody survive this have a testimony? See there? Yeah?
Angel.
What are you, Angel?
Trust me.
This is a military
Terry Chu. Mighty God. Bring it.
Not even I show you see it to me.
No!
When I show them plan it out.
See the gully bridge, eh? This is about 100-meter leap. About 100 meter. You know, turn over, you just barely brush the tree and come and cut. God, me believe in you more and more every day.
See
when you're, yeah. Yeah. See the tree the way brush. We show you see no lie. See the tree the way brush. Rather the tree the shop broke down. See it there. And the longest free jump this by a car. And I know props. Papa Jesus. Well, me have to look good. Me look good if me see no wing on that here, you know. Hey, look at. See wing them here. See wing them here. See them here.
0105 JL.
My people, although me can't grasp that a motor vehicle actually leap across a gully that wide, me can't really and truly just grasp it, so because I'm thinking about the weight of the motor vehicle. I'm wondering how many persons was in the motor vehicle at the time them said the incident happened. You see me I say? That's a motor vehicle, you know. That's a car. It don't have any wings. It's not an airplane. So what kind of flight that motor vehicle could have get to leap across a gully that far? Eh? How fast was that person traveling? High speed, that, you know, my people. I can only imagine how fast a motor vehicle would have to go to leap across a gully that wide. Think about it now, my people. And I lose it, you know. I think, you know. You see it? I'm not saying that I do not believe that it happened, you know. No, I'm not saying that. It's just that the way how the whole thing happened, I'm questioning some of the things about that whole incident right there. You see me? Like, me really and truly, I think about the speed, mainly the speed I'm thinking about, viewers and subscribers. The speed, how fast that motor vehicle was going. That is what me I think about mainly. See? May I tell you? I mean, what was that driver doing? What was the driver thinking? What was really going through the driver's head to do something like that? Man, may I tell you? A motor vehicle really and truly leap across a gully that wide, viewers and subscribers, like for real? Eh? I've never ever seen something like that in my life before. The only time I see something like that is in the movies. You see me? No man, that no normal, my people. That no normal, you see? I only hope so whosoever was in that motor vehicle is okay and alright. You see me I say? I only hope so whosoever was in the motor vehicle is alive and that they're okay and alright. I do not know who was in the motor vehicle. I don't know how many persons was in the motor vehicle. You see me? But let's hope that whosoever was in the motor vehicle is okay and alright. You know, because that no normal. And I hope say that the driver of that motor vehicle can learn something from this incident if it really and truly happened as to how it had been said on social media and in the video as well. You see me I say? See? Dangerous, my people. That dangerous, highly dangerous. Highly dangerous. You see me I say? Alright, here's where I leave it. You know, big up and respect to each and everyone, and let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla. hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.